What's your
You guys have
SRP?
DPS, flex,
My SRR is
DPS,
like
flex, flex, flex,
Yeah.
flex, flex.
20.
We have
Great.
Let's do
Ah,
it.
heck yeah. No.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Okay,
Sorry,
since I'm
sorry.
team leader, who was the DPS?
I was
Okay.
the other DPS.
Pirate,
got this,
go,
boys.
Reinhardt and Winston, the...
What?
Maybe you're gonna go
I know.
Anna. You're gonna go Anna.
This is gonna be
Torib,
great.
you're gonna go... Lucio, why not? Yeah, go Mercy, Lucio. Then go Zarya.
No, go Mercy.
Wait, do you wanna?
Um,
Here, wait. Let's do Winston.
Yeah,
Should
Winston
I go
Diva, but-
Mercy? Alright, I'm just playing
Sword,
this.
can you play Diva?
But, guys,
Diva?
the idea here is the pocket archer, and then we win.
Wait, are you doing on Winston Diva or Winston Ryan?
We need Sorbian.
I'm gonna go. You think Ryan would be better?
I think maybe a shield.
No, it wouldn't. Just stay this calm.
Yeah.
Cause no one really here really.
Double tank, my double main tank is the worst thing that you could ever have. You just get stomped.
Yeah.
Wait. Josh. Wait, watch.
What's up?
Till that's the plats I play with.
Wait.
Okay.
They don't understand that 2 main tanks equals loss.
They don't even know what a main tank is.
No, they don't know what a flex tank is.
I believe it. I believe it.
They can all.
I
They
don't
can all
even know
play
what a
main
tank is in general.
Wait, what?
Stay high ground. You don't have to jump on them instantly. I'll tell
Wait.
you guys when to jump.
What
Just
is a
jump on
flex
Guardian.
tank?
Just let take space. It's
Yeah.
Diva,
You guys are
Roadhog,
probably
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
we
Lucio,
see
yeah.
got
keep
Humongous.
healing there, and then
Careful,
I'm back here.
Diva's the next.
Anna,
Winston behind.
I need help.
Winston behind us.
I'll be mid.
Oh, behind, Genji.
Kill Genji, he's half. Genji's low, Genji's dead.
Nice.
I really
Winston
need.
behind, Winston literally behind us.
That's fine. Just back up. Back up.
Just
Pirate.
Yeah,
just
I'm
I'm not there.
Careful. My shield's down,
Help.
Winston's half.
Do fist on me. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm
I'm dead. Both healers are dead.
I'm gonna get out of here.
No, you killed me. Oh wait, no you didn't. Just back up. There's no reason to go in. They have no healers.
I'm back.
So. I'm gonna go in. Just kill me off.
Damage 50,
Winston jumping
no
on
blade.
Oh, they're no bleeding.
Oh, he
I
can't.
think
He's behind
this
you guys.
was
He's behind you guys. Watch out.
Yep.
Can you damage this when I blade?
Is this
Yeah, I
winnable?
can.
Yeah, let's
guess,
commit.
yeah.
Mix it. I'm coming.
Get Nate.
Don't fist on me.
I pushed
I'm
all the
dead.
tanks back.
Nate's one. Or,
Okay, Josh,
I
come
have
back,
my
just-
ult.
Call characters, not names,
Talk to me.
please.
Talk to me.
Okay,
I'm on gun.
They're coming on me. I have
Should I
no.
ult? Should I ult?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't even know who you were. I just said ult.
I'm dead. Genji behind.
Oh, Doom's.
I have Valk. I can Valk if you guys need it. Yep.
Yeah, I'm probably Valk. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can get it pretty quickly. So.
One peek of Mercy right in the back one.
Let us hope for a different outcome.
I'm gonna bomb this.
Genji's one.
low. He
Yeah.
got
That's
back
big.
up. Get Doom if we can. No, never mind. He's full.
Can we up top, please? Can you guys go get the res up top?
Yeah, I
Like,
can.
I'll got you. I got you.
Wait,
Watch
help me.
Genji. Yeah. I got you.
Crap.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
So
I can't block that.
Yeah, Dim one. Oh, probably.
I'm very low.
Dead, I'm dead.
Kind of a close one.
They
They wasted that. They wasted that.
Oh, is there still? I thought my game was glitched. My god.
We're gonna have to touch.
No, we can't. Just give it up.
Okay.
Get out, get out.
I need it, I need it.
Get out of here, Batman.
Wait, do we win something?
Lucius one.
Oh yeah,
Wait, want
top
something?
dollars.
Colors.
I'm kidding, I'm kidding. It's
That's a lot of V-Bucks. Just joking.
I need healing.
I'm coming.
Let's
I
go.
don't know if I can do this or not, but like, can someone come back so I can fly? Thank you.
It's fine.
Yeah, I
I'll
will
use
be-
Dex.
Someone heal me.
yeah, I'm
Thanks.
I've got blade again.
Save me. Aw. Just try to follow me.
Here, Mercy, fly me, fly me,
I'm
fly me,
just gonna
fly
be
me, fly me.
Sorry.
Mercy, you can fly to me. I'm behind.
Wait, what?
Maybe it's
fly.
just the Genji. If he's gonna blade here.
Winston.
Wait,
Tell
did
me.
we just die to level 12 ninja?
I'm sorry, I can get out.
That's okay. I almost have Valk again.
Oh, it's fine. We have little thing.
I'm probably just gonna have to ult this. The ult that I don't have.
I'm coming. Hold up.
Oh, big red.
Big res!
We need to use some ults here.
Yeah, I died.
I don't think we win even if we use Genji blade though. Let's see blade. Yeah, that's actually a big blade.
I'm a.
Heroes never die.
Oh,
Yikes.
Big res? Big res? Nah.
Res!
Oh, big res.
Dude, in the middle of the whole thing.
We don't win. That's fun.
I don't think we can.
Yeah. I got everything.
I think we should.
They won't have a lot of time though. Like for the next.
They switched to junk. We might have to get off dive, I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's why I switched off Genji. Too much.
Reaper?
Doom on me. Doom half, never mind.
Okay,
Ah,
hope I break.
no,
Hope I
that
break
was-
me.
They have junk.
Careful, Mercy.
Kill me.
I'll see if I can res that.
Try to give me pocketed actually.
Here, you can rest. I dropped up.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Just got insta-killed.
That's big. What the?
Coming. Josh, peek.
Keep behind us.
Oh,
I know. I'm not trying to.
What the?
Oh, there's so many of them.
You need that?
Throw on what? Sure.
Yeah, I'm just dead here.
Get the D round back,
Yeah, that would be pretty big.
crap.
if I could.
Junk behind. Junk behind.
I can. She's getting double pocketed.
Oh, Junkrat ult.
Oh, okay.
Oh, nice.
Moria 1 HP.
Oh, Diva.
She got Mega.
Div is behind.
No, he has all his cooldowns.
Help work him.
I got him.
I'm out of here.
Did anybody here just Nate like what when I punched his tire?
Yeah.
What? Okay.
I even knew it was
They're
gonna
coming in.
happen.
I have out.
Focus on junk. I'm trapped. Focus
I
on
see
junk.
him.
Please.
I see him.
Oh my god, big healing.
Winston.
Jump on point. Jump one on point. I'm dead here. Oh, I had no cooldown. Dude, I'm just getting like destroyed with no cooldown. That was a res. What the?
Oh, I just got deleted. Oh, Mystic just deleted me. He was for that.
Back in the saddle again.
Doom's weak.
Oh my gosh. What?
Tickle him. Tickle him. Alright.
Oh, there's like nothing, nobody I can kill.
Rest.
How do you keep on getting these levels? What is that thing there?
Bro, there's a 5-minute long spawn time.
No.
I can touch. No, man.
I'm
How's
touching.
that Doom not dead? What the? Doom's actually one. In the back somewhere.
Rest that.
If you can.
Rest.
Oh my gosh.
Woo!
It seems like really. Yeah.
I've res 5 times in the middle of a fight like this. Okay, got this. Nice, nice.
Oh my gosh.
This big.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how we got that. That was actually clutch.
That
Oh,
was
misses.
that was too nice. Oh. I got that in like 30 seconds. There's just so much people damageable. I guess that's a word now.
Big pain, res.
They're gonna run Torb Sim, guaranteed.
Wait, what?
Wait, can I take Torbjorn?
No, don't do it.
Please.
How about we do this? Bastion or Issa Ryan.
I'm
Yes.
trying to get gold Torbjorn.
Gold Torbjorn. We could run Torb
That's my
Bastion
Anna
Mercy.
skin. Okay, my Anna skin's that. I was wondering what it was. This is fun. Go like Moira instead of Lucio and just stay on point. Don't go Torb here, it's pretty bad. Go Moira if we're gonna run Bastion. See ya. I wasn't
okay.
talking.
I am not a good Moira, but I can try.
Can you go back? Wait, can you go Moira?
Moira's not that hard to play.
Or,
Just hold
yeah,
left
this
click.
is fun. This is fun. This is great.
Yeah.
It's not that hard to play. Yeah.
Should I just focus
Can you
on...
hold
I see a
left click?
Moira
You
and
can
a
play
Heal the
Ryan.
Moira.
court. Just heal the court. That's all you have to do. If we insta-die here, we just instantly get off this pump.
Yep. Yeah.
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 If they have a junk, rip.
No, this is fine. If they've
That's
got a
bad.
Junkrat, literally just break, I'm just gonna break shield and just dive Junkrat. Just dive him.
They
Yeah.
have a Torb.
They have a Tor. I
They're
told you they
holding
would.
up-
I told you
Yeah,
they
Doom,
would.
They have Doom.
Ghost is fine.
they're-
That's completely fine.
They're holding high ground, I think.
No, they're all in the train. They're all in the train. Go, 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 go.
They're all on the train.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wait, really? They're
Hammond's low. Hammond's low. Got Hammond. No, I
okay.
can't
Do
get
you
on.
know how to Okay.
I know how to get on.
Go, 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 go.
Wait.
I know how to get on. This is easy. This is really easy.
We get the
Can you
turret.
pop me? Can you pop me?
Yeah.
Ryan's so low.
There's a hit spin.
Mercy.
Sorry. Torb on me! Torb at the back. I want it.
They switch to a junk.
Yeah, this is.
Why is this guy
Interesting.
coming?
They have
what?
Ana. They have Ana.
Get the Ryan. Get the Ryan.
Got him.
Nice.
They have a Widow.
Oh,
Widow Ana. Widow
Follow me,
Ana.
Mercy.
Where's their widow?
Nate's on Widow. I don't know where he is. He's probably coming from the spawn because he just.
Get the Junkrat. Get the Junkrat. He's above us.
He's probably gonna
To the
be
right.
behind.
What is he doing? He could have just died.
I don't know.
Come with me, Mercy.
It's Mystics.
Wait. There you go. Okay.
We're gonna
Where?
go.
Oh, he's behind. He's behind. Oh wait,
No,
no.
just watch out. Just watch out. Don't.
Give me damage.
I'm ready to. Oh,
Nice,
never
nice,
mind.
nice.
Never mind.
Good apple.
You just stole my play of the game. How dare you? You suck. Get the Sombra. I was just spraying and I got her. I was just spraying and I triggered her.
Res me, I dare you. Res me.
Res me.
Where's the
Right in front of him.
Ah,
Dang it.
I don't think they'll be able.
Just keep pushing. Just keep pushing.
Yeah.
I have Valk
Yep.
for next fight.
I have ult in this fight.
Wait, we have, okay, we got Bastion.
No, he's gonna come around behind. Just keep the shield up behind. Just keep the shield up behind, Reinhardt. There you go.
You
And
got
now
a
they
bus?
only have like this. There's no way they can get it.
This is so.
This is so dumb. Rock mid.
Oh, Widow took me.
Where is she? Is she back?
Oh, she's coming
We
from
do have, they do have.
Diva hug behind.
Behind us.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Anna's behind.
Fat res.
Oh yeah.
I hate if you put Sombra. I hate it.
Bastion's so dumb. I just got a 4K
Where's the widow? Oh.
above us, behind us. I just got a
Why would
4K.
she be
Bastion
high
is so
ground,
dumb.
so?
I just got
I
a
don't have
4K
it. I don't
Bastion.
have it.
No, I killed 4. What do you mean? No,
Wait, everybody
Bastion
type I killed 4 go. Everybody type I killed 4 go. Now, don't even care.
No. I got play. It's okay.
Oh, hacked.
It's one.
It's so winnable. We can so win this.
Wait, heal me if you can.
I can't, I'm dead.
Oh, okay. Well, that's bad. Being scary.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we got like 4 minutes.
Yeah, we're fine. We're fine.
And I just got my ult in one fight, so just Orisa, halt.
Should we
switch off this
Just do the
comp?
halt. Yeah, I already.
Oh, okay.
Just keep-
Here.
Oh,
Ow.
what was that?
Oh.
What was that? Okay, we got their honor. We traded. Oh, we don't have the reset anymore. Okay.
Oh yeah, no. I was getting headshotted way too much.
Okay.
I really need healing.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Come here, boy.
Oh my god.
You're
Where is he?
you're a
Where is
little
he?
deep.
Widow.
What's the sides?
Yikes.
Yikes.
Where is she?
She's behind us now.
She
She's like
just
gonna.
kept me. That's fine.
Yep.
Oh, and please.
Sombra. Left side.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh,
Wait,
yeah,
I
you
can
know it's coming.
access that, I
You
can
had to
probably-
know that was
No,
coming.
don't.
No.
Where is she? What the? Oh, she keeps on rotating my spawn.
I have 100 cards.
Widow behind on the roof is.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
need to.
Oh my gosh. Why is Nathan up there? You're so bad. Come up good.
Yeah, just get Grab Dragon and then we win. Where is the widow? That you guys get?
she's
Come
in here,
on!
she's-
How did she
What?
just get a kill? Ow! Holy crap. Okay, just get Grab and we're just gonna Grab Dragon. They have nothing to stop it.
I got Valk.
I got stunned mid.
Kill Bud, kill Diva.
Sombra
Divas
behind.
one.
What the?
Yes, they wasted that. They wasted it.
What the? What happened to that?
They used it on the Mac. They used it on the
Hey,
Mac.
Valk.
I got the Sombra. I got the Sombra.
Briggs 1.
Oh, she's still back
Widow
there.
behind.
Widow behind.
I have ult. I'm a ultus.
I need
Oh wait,
to
no, I
heal.
can't.
Pocket me? Someone pocket me.
Where are you?
I got 3.
Oh, no, it's fine.
I have no idea
Oh
where
my
that was.
God.
I had literally no idea where
Widow,
that
for
was.
fuck's sake.
I was not near that. I was trying to get our Mercy back.
I'm gonna
I
take
had no
a
idea
This
where that
Sombra
was.
is gonna.
Easy res. Okay. Crap.
Oh, I'm one.
You can take a
Give
Widow.
me a heal. How do we switch off? What are it called? Why do we switch off to 3 DPS?
Yeah.
I don't think that was the best idea. So that you guys are gonna get kills on
So,
GM.
the idea here is to kill Nate and we win.
Yeah, totally.
Ow.
Holy crap.
You guys have to stop peeking like right up to other spots.
Yeah,
Uh,
the Sombre's behind us. Okay, nice kill.
uh,
Watch out
I guess
for the
just
widow.
damage boost me and I'll go in.
This
Kind of a
Widow.
hard
Dude,
one
Diva's.
to go.
Ah.
Whoa. Nano.
That was a wasted net.
Yeah.
Okay, can you guys just like push in with shield? And Mercy, just stay with me and damage boost me.
Okay.
Widow's flanking, watch out.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
I'll have to res that. Crap.
She's 1
Widow
HP.
behind, Widow behind.
She's actually 1 HP. I headshot
I
her.
had
She's
to
up
do
there
it,
still.
no.
She's up there still.
I have to switch off. This character, like,
Oh,
I
that's
can't,
so
like,
annoying. I headshot her. She's 1 HP. Whatever. We have grab
do
drag.
what
Oh,
else
we
to do
almost
for
have
this team. To be honest.
Ultimate is charging.
They're probably Widow. Watch for Widow behind.
Yeah, don't
Break,
think
break,
he-
break behind you.
Get this brick. Get the brick. Get the brick. Nice.
One,
Summer,
me.
summer.
He's just going after me. What?
Got her, got her.
Okay. I don't remember.
Got rest, got rest.
Don't die too about it.
Got it, got it.
Okay, grab them when they come out. Grab them when they come out.
Okay, I will. I'll throw you one. I'll throw you
I
one.
almost have Valk.
Let's push a little farther in there.
Yeah. Yep, there.
Grab sooner than later before they ult us, okay?
Yeah. I'm doing it.
Something behind, something behind.
It's right in the mid.
One, big.
Big! Oh my god.
You want pushing for it?
I was pumping out the entire game.
Good.
Holy
Yeah.
crap.
Teabag, just teabag. That is fat.
Play of the game.
Oh, look at the top two.
Yeah, look at this. Pure skill. Pure skill.
Hey Josh.
Yeah.
Guess who's streaming?
Who?
Overson.
Oh my god.
Easy.
Let's join for some quality content.